The case suit wey two suspended Enigies of Evobanosa and Egbain Siloko Dugdons for Benin, Professor Gregory Akenzua and Chief Edonwoyin Ogebain plus others file against the Oba of Benin Omonoba Nedo Ukwakpolokpolo Oba Ewere II don adjourn again go Thursday, October 17, 2024, sake of say dem change the judge wey dey preside over the matter. Una go remember say the case suit first appear for court on Thursday, May 9, 2024 before Justice Peter Ahihero come and join am go Monday, July 15, 2024. The defense attorney Samson Osaige and the plaintiff attorneys Osaige Obayuwana for their talk with Tori people come talk say sake of say the court dey reorganize, dem go handle the case for court 6 and the new judge don talk say dem go start the case from the beginning for October 17, 2024.
Well, there's been a reorganization in the courts. Judges have been moved, and the matter is before a new judge now. And the matter is coming up for the first time, came up for the first time today. And the matter was for mention. So the only step that could be taken was to have the matter adjourned until 17th of October.
I'm aware that there have been some postings within the Edo State Judiciary leading to the transfer of judges from different judicial divisions. Today, the Court 6 that is handling the matter has indicated that as a new judge, the matter will have to start de novo. What that means is that it has to start afresh, because it was not the judge that handled it before that is now handling the matter. And that is the position of the law. So the position now is that nothing happened today in terms of the proceedings, except that the matter was mentioned again for the first time, and the court ruled that the matter had to start de novo, and the matter has now been adjourned till Thursday, 17th of October for continuation of hearing.
From the High Court, palace chiefs wey represent the Oba and some Benin youths come enter streets, march back to the palace. Prince Sylvester Eweka and other chiefs come show say dem no happy at all with wetin happen for court as dem condemn the actions of the suspended Enigies.
Today's court was disturbing as far as I'm concerned, because most of us were denying entrance into the courts. And to be very candid, nobody would take your father to court and you will not escort your father to court to see what is happening. But I'm not really happy because the attitude of the police, this is a civil matter. Why are they carrying guns? And we really condemn that move. You understand? We condemn it in strong terms. They should not bring guns because they did not see anybody with arms for you to be holding gun to be threatening people, even beating people. We are not happy at all. The Inspector General of Police will caution his boys on the way they will handle this matter.
No, there is freedom of association. What they did today, I don't think is the best for the society at all. Why can they gather and block the entrance of the court? It's an abomination, according to the tradition. But it's sacrilegious, according to, you understand me? These things they did today, we are not happy over it at all.
We already know that it's a bad case, and I want to again condemn the activities of the rebellious Enigie. It's a case dead on arrival because the Enigies have the authority to the palace, and they cannot be challenging, as it were, the authority of the Oba of Benin. They cannot, and we condemn it. We condemn it. So we are happy that the case again was adjourned. I think that is the best the judge can do in this case. I have always said it, the Oba of Benin is not an individual. It's an amalgam of, it's an institution made up of all manner of people. And so when you see the Oba is in court, it's we you see in court. And the Beninese came out to them as before to give solidarity to the Oba of Benin, because you will not see the Oba in the court, it's we you will see in the court. And the Beninese answered the court someone as it were. We will always protect the institution of the Oba of Benin, and they will not allow any person or group of persons to bring the palace to disrepute. But however, I want to also condemn the action of the government, because we are not allowed into the premises. We don't know why the governor or the government prevented very many of us from entering the court premises. We condemn that action. We condemn that action very seriously.
It is so sacrilegious. It's disgraceful. Heart-wrenching. It's desecrating the altars of our forefathers, and you want people to pay lip services to that? It's not a case you can just sweep under the carpet. You can't shove aside nonchalantly. It is the concern of all well-meaning Benin indigenes, both here in diaspora, to stand firm on behalf of the monarch, whom we respect so much, on behalf of the institution, which is most revered and esteemed. So that is what we are doing.
The court did not sit today. They are joined till October 17. And I know they will be adjourning it, because if not the rain today, the mammoth crowd of Edo indigene that came out today for the solidarity of our Oba, the monarch. So we are ready for this case. Anyhow it goes. You cannot drag our father and expect us to sit down at home. Never in history. So those threats that they were doing, that anybody that comes to court or anybody that protests, we are not protesting. We are not. This case is not by protest. We are sons of the soil. We have rights. This case is between the Edo and the government, not the palace alone. Between the Benin and the government, until they withdraw from this case. Until this case is hereby discharged and acquitted, before we can sleep. If not, they will not sleep, we will not sleep.
The Enigies dey suspended for 2023 sake of wetin dem call betraying the core values of respect for Benin customs and tradition. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ojesele, TMC TV News.